Hi everyone, this is Rosni. Today I'll talk about an unique video which should be done at least one a week because you know it's summer now, which is herbal facial steam, which is too much beneficial for skin. Its benefits are deep cleansing, improves the blood circulation, maintain the skin elasticity, keeps the skin hydrated, it's soothing, do not let have pimple, rashes, acne, do not leave the oily skin, and lastly it increases the efficiency of other products. So let's start. And those who are viewing my video first, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and switch the notification bell to all for latest update, and also watch the video till then. So let's start how I have made it. For making herbal steam, I have taken rice water. I have washed it properly, then I have soaked it for 2 hours. Use any types of rice which is available nearly. Rice water smoothen and soften the skin, helps reduce acne, pimple, protects from sunburn, keep away from wrinkle. Now I will pour the rice water another place. See this. For making herbal steam, I have taken 2 types of marigold, rose, orange peels, chrysanthemum and lemon. Marigold has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help irradiating wrinkles and pimples, quickly glowing the skin, helps remove many types of dirt, removes sunburn, cures oily skin. Orange peels contains huge amount of vitamin C, minerals and antioxidants, which replenishes the glow of the skin, treat dark spot, maintain the skin elasticity, help to clear spots, prevent aging, removes irritation of skin. The antibacterial properties found in rose petals make it an excellent remedy for fighting acne and breakouts, removes irritation of skin, treat dark spot, help to clear spot, prevents aging. Chrysanthemum has long been used for skin as it can clear up skin irritation, redness and chronic conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. It helps reduce aging, wrinkles and blemishes due to antioxidant properties. I will cut this lemon into small pieces so that it is extracted very well. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C and antioxidant, and that may help and reduce skin damage and premature aging. Has astringent qualities. Due to this high pH levels, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduces inflammation and fungi. I am using tea tree oil. You can use any types of essential oil then if you wish. My work is done. So let's start making. Now I will put the petals in the rice water. Then I will boil for 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes totally boiled. See, the color of water has slightly changed. I will put it in another bowl. Now I will mix few drops of tea tree oil. Then stir it very well. So finally my herbal steaming water is ready. So let's take the steam. Take the steam minimum 15 minutes. Oh my god, it is so much glowing than before. Use the steam obviously once a week. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, like the video, please like, share and subscribe and switch the notification bell to all for latest updates. Always be well. Take care. Bye.